In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in a Smartsheet Gantt chart. Whether you're managing a small project or an extensive portfolio, incorporating milestones into your Gantt chart can significantly enhance your project tracking and management capabilities. Milestones are key checkpoints or goals that help you track progress and ensure that your project is on schedule. So, let's dive in and see how we can add these milestones to your project plan. First, you'll need to open your sheet in Gantt View. This is crucial because the Gantt chart provides a visual timeline for your project, making it easier to map out and track key phases and milestones. If you're not already in Gantt View, navigate to the View menu and select Gantt View. Alternatively, you can simply click the Gantt icon in the toolbar. This will switch your display from a simple grid to the more visual Gantt chart, enabling you to see all your tasks laid out over a timeline. Next, let's add a new row for your milestone. Find the exact location where you'd like to insert this milestone in your project timeline. Right-click at that spot and select either Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below, depending on where you want the milestone compared to existing tasks. Once you've inserted the row, give it a descriptive name. This helps in easily identifying what the milestone represents when you or your team glance at the Gantt chart. For instance, you might name it Project Kickoff if it's the start of a new project phase. Now, let's set the start date for your milestone. Navigate over to the Start Date column and select the date you want this milestone to occur. It's important to choose the right date because your milestone serves as a fixed point in your project timeline that your tasks can move towards. Following this, set the duration of your milestone to 0. Type 0 in the duration column. This is a key step because setting the duration to 0 ensures that your milestone appears as a single point in time rather than a span. Once you do this, you'll notice that the end date automatically matches the start date, clearly designating the milestone as a single-day event. Take a moment to check your Gantt chart now. Your newly added milestone will appear as a diamond shape on the timeline, differentiating it from the longer bars representing tasks. This distinct symbol helps highlight the milestone as a crucial checkpoint. Optionally, you can also link your milestone to specific tasks. This creates dependencies, ensuring that the milestone won't occur until certain tasks are complete. To do this, right-click the predecessor cell associated with your milestone and choose the task or tasks that must be completed first. This can help you establish a more connected and logical project flow, ensuring everything proceeds according to your plan. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize milestones in your Smartsheet Gantt chart, aiding in better project oversight and success. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below.